What's up, YouTube? It's Justin here. Thought I would do a quick video of changing your oil in the Big Dog Alpha MP 60-inch mower. This mower doesn't have a lot of hours. This is about my 3rd year of owning it. It's been a pretty great mower. I couldn't ask for more. I don't have too big of a yard, and I don't cut any on the side, so just for my personal use, it's a pretty sweet mower. Most of you probably know the Big Dog is essentially a Hustler mower, colored red. From what I was told, the Big Dogs are built in the same plant as a Hustler, just on different assembly lines. So the oil changes, they should be probably about the same. I say that's probably motor dependent too. Mine has the Kawasaki. I'll let you see that in just a second. Real quick, I'll show you everything you're gonna need. I picked all this up yesterday at my local shop. The oil and the filter cost me about $20–25. I don't really remember. Just to make your job easier, I think I went to Advanced Hardware. Picked this guy up, 76mm. That's a model number if that helps at all. I think it comes from Advanced Autocraft. I think I'm not sure. Here's your oil filter I got. It's Kawasaki. There's your part number on that. 2 quarts of oil, Kawasaki oil. Now, there's probably better oil out there, but I figured Kawasaki engine, they know what kind of oil they want to use in their motors. I was told that if it contains zinc is what you need to get. It has something to do with the inside of the engine. I don't know, I'm not a mechanic. I'm just your average Joe. And I know how to do oil changes, so I figured I'd help you guys out. Here's the engine that's on it. It's the Kawasaki FR730V. Super good mower. It's got quite a bit of power, more than I need for what little yard I have. Take a quick look in here. If you look, I've got the mower up to temp already. It advises you to pull it up to operating temperatures. It's been running for about 15 minutes so far. If you look, I'll try to point underneath. Right there is the knob that you need to turn. Mine has the tube going out into the drain pan. And of course the oil filter's right there. My light went off. Let me get over here and turn it on. It might help a little. So again, the drain pan I used, I don't have a drain pan that small. I've lost it. So I had a drip pan. I'm using a pan from Kroger that I use for smoking when I smoke some meat. That's what I broke it up in, had it left over. So I've shoved that in there. It'll do for now. The first thing you want to do, I've got me one of these 10mm ratchets. Let's see if I can, without getting in the way here. So you'll get that bad boy on there. There we go. And just loosen it up. I'm gonna let it go. Okay, I might set the camera down and get this. I can't do it one-handed. There we go. The thing about these screws here, you still see it and I've unscrewed it out some. You do not want to unscrew it all the way. I don't think it has to stop. If you unscrew it all the way, it will leak all over your mower. Take a look under here. So let me get my flashlight out for you. There we go. Sorry for the quality. Just let it leak out. Should have about 2 quarts in it as long as everything's running fine. Again, that's the tube. I usually loosen this up. Might help it. So I let that run and get out. Had to let it drain out. I let it drain out for probably 20-30 minutes. I'm not sure how long it was. You can see there's nothing else dripping or leaking in there. Well, there was one little drop. I think it'll be sufficient. I'll go ahead and reach back down on that knob. Let me light it up, maybe give you a little better look again. You can see it unscrewed right there. I'm gonna reach in there and hand tighten it, and then I'll tighten it up just a little bit with the wrench I have. Now, with these being plastic, you don't want to over tighten it. They will strip out if you over tighten it. Doesn't have to be too tight. See if I can do it one-handed this time. There we go. All right. I'd say that's probably sufficient. It's in there pretty good. Don't want to tighten it up too much. Might be a little bit too tight there, but I think it'll be all right. So right now it looks like everything looks pretty good down there to me. A little dirty, oh well. So now I'll take my oil wrench. Again, got it from Advanced Autocraft 76mm. There's your part number one more time. So this part gets super messy if you're not careful. I've got some paper towels. What I usually do is shove them down in there. Try to catch any leaks. You're gonna get them coming out of here. It's just the name of the game. So I'll go in and there we go. Get it on there and just slowly but surely I break it loose. There we go. Once it's loose, you can loosen it on up with your hand. Again, try to keep it in there. Just unscrew that out. You should be able to fill it and just pick it up so it don't go everywhere. Now I'm probably leaking all kind of garbage. Yeah. It's got a little catch pan, but it's not catching a lot. You really need to get you a paper towel. It helps the most. Set that down. There you can see where it comes out. Get my flashlight here. There you go. So yeah, see, it's still messy. I'm gonna do some cleaning. I'll get back with you in just a second. All right, for the most part, got it cleaned up down there pretty well. Still got a little bit of drip, but I'll take care of that in a second. Now I'm gonna put the oil filter on. Well, I know how to do that, hopefully. I'll just get into my oil here a little bit. Just rub it right in there. Put your little film of oil on that. It helps make contact on the engine so you don't leak any. See, I got my paper towel still in there, catching a couple drips. Give it one more wipe. That's good. Now I'll take the, I don't know if I can get it on camera. Put that back on there. Tighten it up. But hand tight's all you need. Don't over tighten it. Might not get the damn thing off. Now, double check, make sure everything's tight. Go ahead and take your filter cap out, or your oil gauge out. Something else you might want to use, everybody should have one of those if you change oil. Shove the bad boy in there. I'll take my first quart of oil. That's it. As you see, pretty simple. Not a hard process. Not really time consuming. Overall work time, I'm probably looking at 10 minutes. So, you know, it's not too bad of a job. It's cold and rainy here where I'm at in Kentucky. So I've already mowed twice this year. Figured I might as well go ahead and get that oil change out of the way, beginning of the season. It's March, end of March. Hopefully it'll warm up soon. Spring will finally kick in and I'll get to go out and ride some more. You guys have any questions or comments or concerns, leave them in the boxes below. Click like. I'll tell you to subscribe, but well, it's technically my first video. Don't know how many more there'll be. Maybe some, may not, I don't know. We'll see. Another thing you can do, while I got you here, I'll stop this for a second. Make sure that don't fall. Check your air filter. Right there under your Kawasaki. Mine's a little dirty, so they just pull right out. Pull them out and clean them off. Now my local shop takes an extra step before they sell these and puts these little breathers on top of the air filter. Help keep it cleaner. As you can see, it's done its job. Look how clean that is. That looks pretty good in there. So I'll take this out, this outer layer here, and I'll clean it off, maybe blow it out with air compressor a little bit, and put it back on there. So it's a good job on my lawnmower shop's end right there. It's actually Basham's Auto, or Basham's Mower Services, I'm sorry, in Richardsville, Kentucky. You guys want a good mower, we're not checking them guys out. They got me hooked up with this one. When I bought this one, they said that the Hustler and Big Dog brands were discontinuing to put Kawasaki's on their mowers because they didn't want their engines, the Kawasaki didn't want their engines in big name stores, big box stores like Lowe's and Home Depot. Well, I was in there the other day buying my oil in the filter, and I was told that they are going to start putting them back on. And matter of fact, I was in Lowe's today and seen a Hustler sitting on their floor with a Kawasaki on it. So I guess they've already started. Now, I'm not a big Kohler fan. I've had Kohler on mowers before. Never had a lot of luck out of them. They rattle and shake and stuff would leak out of them. But these Kawasaki's, I've not had any issues with it. If you get an opportunity and you can buy one with a Kawasaki on it, I'd jump right on top of that if you can. Anyway, that's about it. I'm gonna check the oil before I finish putting this cord in it and see how it's looking. But other than that, guys, that's it. I'll screw the oil gauge back on it, fire it up and let it run for a second. I'll clean that air filter and that'll be it. It'll be good to go till next summer. Y'all take care.